Assalamu alaikum dear friends, welcome back to my channel Salim's Learning World. Today I'll discuss present indefinite tense. What is present indefinite tense? Present indefinite tense represents an action which is normal or regular or true and happens at the present moment is called present indefinite tense. I'm giving here a short definition. Present indefinite tense represents an action which is normal or regular or true and happens at the present moment is called present indefinite tense. I'm giving here examples or like I read the newspaper daily. He goes to school every day. The sun rises in the east. Uh, at first, when we'll make sentence, at first we have to use subject, then main verb, then object, then extension. Let's see the structure. Extension. I read the book. You come here tomorrow. She cooks rice. Here I have written three sentences. I read the book. You come here tomorrow. She cooks rice. Here S is used with cook, the main verb, or if the subject is third person singular number, we have to add S or es with the main verb, and if the subject is not third person singular number, we will not use s or es with the main verb. We play football in the field. They play cricket in the field daily. We can make our negative sentence. Let's see how to make negative sentence. See the structure. At first you have to use subject, then do or does, then not, then verb, then object, then extension. Here I can take this. Do or does, not, then verb, main verb, then object, then extension. I do not like it. You do not like it. He does not like it. Here, do not is used with all types of numbers and subject like first person and second person singular number and all types of plural numbers, and does not is used only third person singular number. He is here, third person singular number, so does not used here. I, first person singular number, so do not is used here. You do not like it. You, second person singular number, so do not is used in this sentence. We do not go there anymore. They do not talk to me. We can use our in short form do not equal to don't, does not equal to doesn't. Like, or example, you can tell we don't know that. He doesn't know me. I don't know him. You don't go there. We can use also our interrogative sentence. It is when we'll make an interrogative sentence, then we have to set. That means we have to use do or does at first, then subject, then verb, then object, then extension. Example, do or does plus subject plus verb plus object plus extension, then sign of interrogation. Do you know me? Does he help you? Do they come here? Do you like him? Do I touch him? And thus you can make sentence interrogative sentence. Here we should mention what kind of sentence are these. It is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. It's a negative sentence. It's this is structure of interrogative sentence. We can also make our interrogative and negative sentence in this way, like just I can copy here this. Do or does subject, the not, verb, main verb, base form or principal verb, object and extension. Here, does he know the way? Do you know him? Does he not know the way? Does he not know him? Don't you know me? Or do you not know me? Just like this. I'm giving here some examples. Do not know me? Does not know the way? Do they not go to school? Or you can write like this. Don't or doesn't. Don't, doesn't, subject, verb, object and extension. Don't you go to school every day? Don't I help you in your distress? Doesn't she come here? Don't you wake up early in the morning? Doesn't Rim go to college regularly? And in this story you can practice at home and or make sentence or and discuss at home with your friends or as a spoken English. And if you like this video, you can share, subscribe and like and comment here. And if you do want to know more about tense, and you can ask me through my email address or in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video.